नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, एक्सपर्ट टीचिंग या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये तुमचं स्वागत आहे। आपण जसं की क्लास 10th यामधील क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा चॅप्टर स्टार्ट केलेला आहे। यामध्ये आपण फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वेअर मेथड, फॉर्म्युला मेथड्स अँड द नेचर ऑफ रूट्स अँड ऑब्टेन द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन हा कन्सेप्ट पाहिलेला आहे। The first one, some important points: the sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, that is sum of root, and alpha dot beta equal to c by a. Now this is product of root. Third, now x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. This is quadratic equation of root alpha and beta. The fourth, alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha beta. Fifth, that is alpha minus beta its square equal to alpha plus beta its square minus 4 alpha beta. Sixth, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha dot beta and bracket alpha plus beta. And seventh, alpha cube minus beta cube equal to alpha minus beta its cube plus 3 alpha beta and bracket alpha minus beta. Now this is some important formulae we can see. Now we can start the practice set. Practice set 2.5, that is practice set 2.5. Now the first question, fill in the blank, that is fill in the blank. The first is first quadratic equations. Now quadratic equation, the quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation, and the quadratic equation having roots. Now first, the b square minus 4ac equal to plus 5 and b square minus 4ac equal to minus 5. Now this is the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation, and state the nature of roots. Now the nature of root, now this is nature of roots and this is nature of roots. Now this is real and unequal. This is real and unequal, and this is not real. This is not real. Now we can see now the another concept, another fill in the blanks. The second fill in the blanks. Now sum of roots. Now sum of root equal to minus 7 and form the quadratic equation. Form a quadratic equation. To form quadratic equation, now the product of roots The product of roots will be, the product of root is equal to 5. We can see the product of root 5. Now first one, the sum of root will be -7 and product of root will be +5. Now the quadratic equation, x square minus alpha plus beta x alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now x square minus alpha plus beta x minus 7x alpha dot beta x 5 is equal to 0. Now x square minus minus plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Now the quadratic equation, x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Now third will be, if alpha and beta, if alpha comma beta are roots of quadratic equation, now the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation, and we can find sum of root and product of root. That is sum of root alpha plus beta and product of root alpha dot beta. Now first we can compare. Now 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 2, b equal to -4 and c equal to -3. The alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Now minus b की value -4 and a की value 2. That is answer will be 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4. Now alpha dot beta equal to c by a. The value of c -3, value of a is 2. Now alpha plus beta equal to 2 and alpha dot beta equal to -3 by 2. Now this is alpha plus beta and this is alpha dot beta. Now we can see. Now this is question number first. The question number second will be, now the question number second, find the value of discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now the question number second, find the value of discriminant, find the value of discriminant. That the discriminant is delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Now the first question will be x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. This is x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Now the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to 7 and c equal to -1. Therefore b square minus 4ac equal to, now b square यानी 7 square minus 4ac, a यानी 1, c यानी minus. Now answer will be 49 minus 4. Now yes, 49 minus 4, that is minus minus plus 4. Answer will be 53. We can see answer will be 53. Now second question 2y square minus 7y. Now 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Now first we can write as it is 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Now comparing ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 2. Answer will be b square minus 4ac, that is b square and minus 7 square minus 4ac minus 7 square 49 minus, that is 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. Now that is a 2 b minus 7 c2 b square and minus 7 square minus 4 a and value of c, that is 2 2s are 4 4 4s are 16. Now 9 minus 6 3 and 4 minus 1, that is 3. 2y square minus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. Now second is plus 1 equal to 0. 2y square. Now this is another questions. Now the question number 2 actually question number 2 is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Now it is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Now this is another questions. We can compare 2y square plus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. Ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 10. The answer will be b square minus 4ac, that is minus 5 square minus 4ac. A yani 2, c yani 10, that is 5 square 25, that is 10 2s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 80. Now subtraction will be minus 18 25, 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 2 5, that is minus 55. That is 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. That is a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to 10. Now another is another number third. Number third will be root 2x square, that is root 2x square plus 4x, that is plus 4x and plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Now first we can write as it is root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Now equating ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to root 2, b equal to 4 and c equal to root 2. Therefore value of discriminant b square minus 4ac, that is 4 square minus 4ac, a yani root 2, c yani 2 root 2. 4 square 16, 4 2, that is 4 2s are 8, root 2 and square root of 4. 16 minus 8 2, that is 16 minus 16, answer will be 0. Now this is question number 2. Now the another question is the question number 3. Now the question number 3 will be determine the nature of roots. Now determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Following quadratic equation. Now we can see the b square minus 4ac equal to 0 roots, real and equal, and b square minus 4 is greater than 0 roots, real and unequal, and this b square minus 4 is less than 0 roots not real. Now the first question will be, now the question number first, x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. That x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 4. Answer will be the b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. a यानी 1, c यानी 4. minus 4 चा square 16. 4 1 चा 4. 4 4 चा 16. Answer will be 0. The roots are real and equal. Answer will be 0. The roots are real and equal. Now another question. Now question number 2. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Now we can see first question as it is. 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Now ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 2. Answer will be b square minus 4ac. That is minus 7 square minus 4ac. a यानी 2, c यानी 2. 7 square 49 minus 2 2 चा 4, 4 4 चा 16. Now answer will be 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 1 3, 33. Now the b square minus 4 is greater than 0. Now roots are real and unequal. Roots are real and unequal. Now the third question. Third question is m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. Now m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. Now am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 9. Therefore now b square minus 4ac, that is 2 square minus 4ac. 2 चा square 4, 9 1 चा 9, 9 4 चा 36. Now answer will be 32. Now the b square minus 4ac less than 0. Roots are not real. Roots are not real. Then the another question. Another question is the question number 4. Now question number 4, find the quadratic equation. Now question number 4, find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation from the roots given below. From the roots given below. Now first one question. The first one question is 0 and 4. Now we can see alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 4. The first one, alpha plus beta. Alpha 0, beta 4. Answer will be 4. Now product of root alpha dot beta, 0 into 4, 0. Now the quadratic equation of x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now x square minus alpha plus beta x 4 alpha dot beta 0. Now answer will be x square minus 4x plus 0 equal to 0. Now final answer x square minus 4x equal to 0. Now the second is 3 and minus 10. Now second 3 and minus 10. Now first we can see alpha equal to 3 and beta equal to 10. The alpha plus beta, 3 plus beta ची value minus 10. Now 3 minus 7, answer will be minus 7. Alpha dot beta, 3 into minus 10, answer will be minus 30. Now therefore the x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now x square, the alpha plus beta is minus 7x, alpha dot beta is minus 30. Therefore x square minus minus plus 7x minus 30 equal to 0. This is a required quadratic equation. Now another is 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Now third 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. Alpha equal to 1 by 2 and beta equal to minus 1 by 2. That is sum of roots alpha plus beta, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, answer 0. And alpha dot beta 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 4. Now the roots of quadratic equation x square plus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. Now x square alpha plus beta 0 and alpha dot beta minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Therefore x square minus 0x minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. The final answer will be now. Therefore x square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. We can multiply 4 on both sides, that is 4x square minus 4 into 1 by 4 equal to 0. 4 cancel, 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is a required quadratic equation. Now the example number 4. Now the example number 4 will be the 2 minus root 2 and 2 plus root 2. That is 2 minus root 5, comma 2 plus root 5. Now we can see alpha equal to 2 minus root 5 and beta equal to 2 plus root 5. Now alpha plus beta, alpha. Now first we can see alpha 2 minus root 5, beta 2 plus root 5. Minus root 5 plus root 5 cancel. Alpha plus beta 2 plus 2 4. Now the alpha dot beta, alpha is 2 minus root 5, beta is 2 plus root 5. First bracket a plus b, another bracket a minus b. Now a square minus b square. Now alpha dot beta 2 square 4, root 5 is 5. Alpha dot beta equal to minus 1. Now the quadratic equation x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha dot beta equal to 0. X square minus alpha plus beta यानी 4x and alpha dot beta minus 1 equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a required quadratic equation. Now another question is the question number 5. Now the question number 5 will be sum of roots of quadratic equation. Sum of roots of quadratic that is sum of roots of quadratic equation is double their product. Double their product. Find k. Find k if the equation is now equation x square minus 4kx x square minus 4kx plus k minus 3 equal to 0. Now we can see, first we can write the quadratic equation x square minus 4kx and k minus 3 equal to 0. Now comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4k and c equal to k minus 3. Now first we can write sum of roots, that is sum of root, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Now minus value of b minus 4k and value of a is 1. Now the minus minus plus 4k. Therefore product of root, the product of roots alpha dot beta equal to c by a. Now c is k minus 3, a is 1, answer will be k minus 3. Now the question, now we know that question we can state sum of roots, the sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to sum of roots of quadratic equation, double their product of root. Now 2 times of product of root alpha dot beta. Now the sum of root is 4k, 2 into product of root is k minus 3. Now 4k equal to, that is 2 bracket k minus 3. Now 4k equal to 2k minus 6. Now answer 4k plus minus 2k is equal to minus 6. Answer will be 2k equal to minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2. The answer will be minus 3. Now answer k equal to minus 3. Now this is the final answer, k equal to minus 3. Now the another question will be the question number 6. Now question number 6 is the question number 6, alpha comma beta are roots of alpha comma beta are roots of, now y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Find first one alpha square plus beta square and second is alpha cube plus beta cube. Now first we can write the quadratic equation y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, comparing ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 3. Now the first we can calculate alpha plus beta minus b by a, that is minus b minus 2a1 minus minus plus 2. Now alpha dot beta C by A. Value of C minus 7, value of A 1. The answer will be minus 7. Now first we can see the alpha square plus beta square equal to, now alpha plus beta its square minus 2 alpha beta. Now alpha plus beta equal to, that is alpha plus beta equal to plus 2 its square minus 2 alpha dot beta minus 7. 2 square 4 minus minus plus 14. Now answer will be 18. Now second question. Now second question will be alpha cube plus beta cube. Now the alpha cube plus beta cube equal to alpha plus beta its cube minus 3 alpha beta bracket alpha plus beta. Now first we can see the alpha plus beta its cube. Now alpha plus beta equal to 2 square minus 3 alpha dot beta minus 7 and alpha plus beta 2. 2 square 4 minus minus plus 21 and 2, that is 4. 21 2s are 42. Answer will be 46. Now this is question number 6. The last question is the question number 7. Now the question number 7 will be find the value of k. Now question number 7, find value of k. Find value of k. The roots are real and equal of following quadratic equation. Now first question will be, now 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Now we can write first as it is 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Now ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. A will be 3, b equal to k, c equal to 12. Now roots are real and equal. Now b square minus 4ac equal to 0. The roots are real. Now b square यानी k square minus 4ac, a यानी 3 and c यानी 12. Now k square 12 into 12 equal to 0. K square equal to 144. Now k square equal to 144. Now answer will be k equal to plus minus square root of 144, 12. This is value of k. The last question is now the last question is kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6. X minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First we can solve the quadratic equation. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. K x into x square minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Now comparing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now a equal to k, b equal to minus 2k and c equal to 6. Now roots are real and equal. Now the b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b square यानी minus 2k its square minus 4ac, a यानी k and c यानी 0. 2 square 4. Now k square 6 4s are 24k. Now answer will be, we can common 4k, answer k, and 4 6 are 24. Now answer will be 4k equal to 0 or either k minus 6 equal to 0. Now k equal to 0 divided by 4. Now k equal to 6. K equal to 0 and k equal to 6. This is the value of k. So we can complete the practice set 2.5. या ठिकाणी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5 हा कंप्लीट झालेला आहे. आणि जर तुम्हाला हे व्हिडिओ आवडत असेल त्याला सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा आणि कमेंट करा. धन्यवाद.